good morning, or good day. I'm not sure when you're watching this. I have another great book to share with you today. It's called God's Dream, and it's written by Archbishop Desmond Tutu and Douglas Carlton Abrams. Dear child of God, what do you dream about in your loveliest dreams? Do you dream about flying high or rainbows reaching across the sky? Do you dream about being free to do what your heart desires? Or about being treated like a full person, no matter how young you might be? Do you know what God dreams about? If you close your eyes and look with your heart, I am sure, dear child, that you will find out. God dreams about people sharing. God dreams about people caring. God dreams that we reach out and hold one another's hands and play one another's games and laugh with one another's hearts. But God does not force us to be friends or to love one another. That means sometimes we don't get along. Sometimes we fight. Dear child of God, it does happen that we get angry and hurt one another. Soon we start to feel sad and so very alone. Sometimes we cry, and God cries with us. But when we say we're sorry and forgive one another, we wipe away our tears and God's tears too. Each of us carries a piece of God's heart within us, and when we love one another, the pieces of God's heart are made whole. God dreams that every one of us will see that we are all brothers and sisters. Yes, even you and me. Even if we have different mommies and daddies or live in different far away lands. Even if we speak different languages or have different ways of talking to God, even if we have different eyes or different skin. Even if you are taller than I, and I am smaller, even if your nose is little and mine is larger. Dear child of God, do you know how to make God's dream come true? It's really easy. As easy as sharing, loving, caring, as easy as holding, playing, laughing, as easy as knowing we are family because we are all God's children. Will you help God's dream come true? Let me tell you a secret. God smiles like a rainbow when you do. God's dream is for all people, all children, all short children of God, and all tall children of God who are grown-ups. God's dream is that we love and care and share with one another. We are all brothers and sisters, part of God's family, right here, Mercer Island or Seattle or Bellevue or Issaquah, or Portland, or San Francisco, or New York City, or London, or Milan. Anywhere in this entire world, we are brothers and sisters. In all different nations, we are one. God's dream is that we can help and care for one another. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day.